Hi, Scott here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. What I'm doing here is I'm creating an invoice template that I can use for all my customers, and down here, rather than typing in salmon and halibut and all that stuff, all the different kinds of fish, I'm going to create a drop-down box that lets me choose which type of fish. And I've linked it to the cost tab here, and this is the list of fish that I'm going to choose from. So to start off, we would go over to the data tab here, and over here there's a button called the data validation, and if you click on that, it brings you over to this drop down in settings, and you select the list. And for the source, you click on this button and then go over to the tab that the list is on, and you highlight all the values that you want to show up on that list, and you hit enter. And it brings you back to the screen, and you select OK. And now we have a nice list that we can choose from rather than typing in true cod or halibut or salmon each time. We just pick from the drop-down box here. So now that I have that, some of my customers will order multiple kinds of fish. So I'm going to wait until, hover my cursor over the corner until it turns to this plus symbol. And I'm just going to left click and drag that down. And now each of these cells is a drop-down menu. And that concludes today's lesson. Thank you for watching.